welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. As a child, I loved the poem My Brother Bert by Ted Hughes. Bert loved collecting animals. His little brother was terrified by the ramifications of his seemingly innocuous hobby. There was a line, "What if the pangolins were to caper out of their nests behind the wallpaper?" But unfortunately, it seems like these timid animals would be safer behind Bert's wallpaper. Pangolins or scaly anteaters are nocturnal animals found in parts of Asia and Africa. But thanks to reckless hunting world over, these beautiful creatures are now the world's most trafficked animal and are sought after for their scales and meat. Of late, the demand for pangolin scales from China and Vietnam has resulted in an illegal international trade, with an estimate that over 1 million individuals have been hunted between the year 2000 and 2013. In a study that was published in the journal Nature Conservation, researchers analyzed why some rural tribes in Assam, a part of northeast India, hunted pangolins. There are two species of pangolins in northeast India, the Indian pangolin, Manis crassicordata, and the Chinese pangolin, Manis pentadactyla. Although there is no information on the population status of these species, they are classified as endangered and critically endangered. Hunting or selling of pangolins for commercial gains in India is illegal under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, but it is sometimes permitted outside of protected areas for certain native tribal communities. In this study, the researchers surveyed 141 individuals from 31 villages that belong to prominent tribes like the Biate, Dimasa, and Karbi to figure out the extent of the hunting practice and understand its underlying causes. To their surprise, all those interviewed acknowledged that they had killed at least one pangolin between 2011 and 2016. But why do these rural tribesmen target pangolins? It's not for their meat, but for their scales, say the researchers. Although pangolin meat is used locally, they found that hunters largely target pangolins for their scales. Killing a pangolin means a lot of money for a poor tribal hunter. The price of pangolin scales ranges between 10,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees per kg. And as expected, the incessant hunting of these creatures has resulted in a significant loss in pangolin populations. Since pangolins produce only about 1 or 2 young per year, any level of hunting or habitat destruction is sure to have adverse effects on their numbers. A majority of the hunters stated that the pangolins were less abundant than they were 5 years ago. Besides, peak pangolin hunting activity takes place between the months of March and May, which is when the female pangolins give birth to their young. Often, the young are also taken away by the hunters, and this further dents the population. The researchers say that reducing the demand for pangolin scales by targeting urban consumers could help reduce the illegal trade. The study highlights how unsustainable the demand for pangolin scales is. The illegal trade has permeated into remote rural communities, and it involves individuals who do not fully understand the actual ramifications of their actions or even why the market exists. Perhaps now is the time for everyone to look beyond the scales and into the scale of this problem. Thank you for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.